I have to tell some secret
Yeah?
Wow.
for you.
What
Wow.
secret?
My daughter Dayun, after watching Day6 concert, favorite member,
Her favorite member?
원필.
Oh my god.
Even though it was my invitation?
Wow.
She know about that.
Wow.
She knew about it?
But 영케이 우리 초대권 이거 진짜 좋은 자리 영케이가 다 해줘가지고 말하고 tell about something 계속 말했는데도 she love.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I mean, he's a very lovable person. That's very sad.
But she like you too.
Thank you. Thank you.
영케이 is good 오빠. 다현 please change your mind.
But 원필 is so sweet.
How about 영케이? Please 다현. I'm so 불편
잘
다현.
자라나요?